Hi, my name is Oliver Chu. I live from Long Beach, and I purchased here a Toyota 4Runner, which I really like it. And Chris is the one who helped me, which will make my life easy here. And I recommend this Carson Toyota to be your when you purchase your car. It's very nice. People here is so nice. They're very warm, loving and warm people. Oh, pangalan ko si Oliver. I live sa Long Beach. Napunta ko dito dahil naalam ko na maganda daw yung serbisyo. In which, totoo nga, masarap ang serbisyo dito. Tsaka loving sila, tsaka okay sila nakausap. Lalo na si Chris. At tsaka hindi sila ginagawa nila lahat para matulungan kayo kung may mga problema man ang mga credit ninyo. Huwag na kayong mag-alala kung saan-saan pa kayo pupunta. Pumunta na kayo sa Carson Toyota and you're gonna bring the car you want right away. Thank you.